How to trim bangs for curly hair. First, you clip it onto your bangs, then slowly tilt the bubble so it's in the middle. That's how you get the exact angle to cut. Then holding the CreaClip in position, put the level back into normal position and trim along the guide. Here we are trimming vertically. This is how you get that soft textured look, just like in the salon. Remember, trim a little at a time. Curly hair tends to shrink up once styled. Perfect bangs! Now you can maintain your bangs at home. How to cut long layers on curly hair. First, flip your hair over. Using the large curved CreaClip, clip the CreaClip with the curve facing down as shown. Now make sure the level is balanced. Now slowly stand upright and cut. You can cut horizontally or vertically. Here we are getting rid of most of the length and then we'll go back and point cut. Holding the scissors at 45 degrees, cut small snips along the CreaClip. This will create a soft textured look. You can also cut with a trimmer for a full blunt look. Perfect long layers.